I'm so excited. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, thank you for joining. My name is Shab. Just to let you all know quickly before I get into this video that I am a few subscribers away from 500, which means that my next giveaway isn't far away. So if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below. It's free and you can watch more videos. I'm looking forward to my next giveaway. If you're already subscribed, keep your eyes peeled. Today I have the Let's Face It Beauty Box April 2022 Iconic Box. So if you haven't already watched my March Let's Face It Fierce and Flawless Beauty Box, then this might not make sense, but I decided to give Let's Face It another chance. It wasn't terrible, but I wasn't over the moon with my March box. I think a lot of people had a few issues with the box, with missing items and smashed items and that kind of thing. I do know I have a special extra gift in this box for being a March customer, because they kind of did a bit of an apology, sent something out which is pretty damn cool to everyone that purchased the March box. So I will show that first, but that isn't really part of the April box. You know, the April box just stands on its own. I've not seen what's inside it yet. I'm really looking forward to seeing what's inside it. This is the most expensive box. It is £45 and you can subscribe, which would bring the price down. But I just bought it as a one-off again, just to give it another try. Last time, as soon as I opened the box, there was something smashed at the top. I won't go into any more detail on that. It's been and gone, it's done, whatever. If you've not seen that video, check it out. I did go into detail on my March box, all about the different boxes and what you're supposed to get in them. So I won't go into it in too much detail in this video, because I just want to get straight into it. In my package, I have this box, which has the Let's Face It logo and ribbon on it. It's smaller than my last one, which is a bit strange. Last time I got the Fierce and Flawless box, which is the middle one, and it was in a bigger box than this. So I don't know if I should be concerned, or they're just getting better at packaging things a bit smaller, or... But then I'm very confused because I have two separate packages. So I'm thinking maybe it couldn't fit something into it. Now I am expecting an extra gift. They did send an email out to say that everybody that purchased the March box was going to be eligible to have a Charlotte Tilbury full-size eyeshadow palette included in this package. So I don't want to ruin it and open the wrong one, because I want to show you the Charlotte Tilbury palette first, but I don't know. Right, let's go for this one. And if it's not the Charlotte Tilbury palette, I'll skip over it for a second. It is. Just to be very, very clear, this is basically a goodwill gesture that they sent out to everybody that purchased the March box. So don't take this into account, obviously, if you are interested in the box that I've got. I'm so excited. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette. It says 4 easy eye look to take you from day to desk to date to disco. Pretty. Okay, so this is the palette. This is absolutely stunning. You get 4 looks in here. So you've got the day here, the desk, the date, and the disco. So basically you've got a light shade, a medium shade and a dark shade in each of these little trios that go together to create an eye look. That is beautiful. That more than makes up for the little mishaps with the March box. Like I said, it wasn't terrible, just wasn't overly happy with it considering the price of it and the angle of being a high-end box. That more than makes up for it by a million miles, and I will treasure this. So now we're going to get on to the actual box. So this is what I got in April. So this is the box when I open it up here. It looks like we've got a little leaflet and whatever this little pouch is with a bunny rabbit on, which is cute. I think that might be like a bit of an Easter thing. This is cute. It's got chocolates in it. We've got mini eggs. And they're not smashed. Congratulations, they're not smashed. I'm going to pull it out at random. I'm going to try not to look at anything like I did last time before I actually get it out of the box. So we're going to do this a bit blind, okay. Okay, so the first thing we've got is from, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, Caudalie, Paris. Firming Eye Gel Cream. It says resveratrol lift. It says apply morning and evening to eye and lip contours. I don't have a product like that either. So yeah, that's a really, really nice product. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. Next thing we've got is from Emery Nails, which I've had things from before, nail varnishes from before. This is gloss nail polish. It looks like from the side it's going to be a very nice pretty spring colour. That is a very nice pink. It's like a mauvey pink, I'd say. Nudie pink. That's very pretty. And that's a 10mm as well. I think that's probably full size. The next thing we've got is a pair of eyelashes. These are from Dainty. Very nice, tapered. I've never heard of that brand either, to be honest, but this is what happened in the other box. But so far, so good, to be fair. I've got a mask. So it's from Vitamis Vegan Collagen Lychee Plump and Moisturise, made with lychee extract, vegan collagen and multimolecular hyaluronic acid. So you get one mask in here and it says natural and biodegradable sheet mask. Ooh, that sounds yummy. That's a really nice mask, really nice. I've never tried anything from that brand before, obviously, as you can tell, because I can't say it. I've got another mask. It's from the same brand, so it's the Vitamis, see if I'm pronouncing that right. And it's a 2-in-1 mask duo, Best of Mud. So you've got, oh, so it's two. Okay, so you've got the Rose Petal Mud Mask for calming at the top there. And then a green tea mud mask for purifying at the bottom. Okay. So it says you can use them separately or you can mix and match. Made with rose petals, vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid. And then the green tea mud mask for purifying is made with green tea leaves, coffee, centella and charcoal. Very nice. I'd have to say that's a bit of me as well. High five for the masks in the box. Thank you very much. The next thing we've got in here is this. So there was me thinking that this was like some sort of bath bubble bar, because unless you come with instructions, it's either edible or you put it in the bath. But I just spotted at the bottom, it does say melting wax. So I'm assuming it's a wax melt because it's like the company is melting waxes. And it says vegan, no soy or paraffin, and it's Palmer Violet scent. Let's have a sniff. Oh my God. Is that a wax melt? Really? Can't I eat it? That smells unreal. Unreal. We've got 3 products left and then whatever's in the little separate parcel as well. So far so good. The products I've already pulled out are possibly quite cheap. Next product I've got, oh, it's a perfume from Juicy Couture. Juicy Couture Eau de Parfum Rollerball / Roll-On, and it's a 10ml. I'm not sure, is it just called Juicy Couture? I love Juicy Couture. Is that what the fragrance is from Juicy Couture? I think so. I used to absolutely love Juicy Couture. Very fresh. That's a nice spring fragrance. That's really, really nice. It's not as musky as they normally are, or from what I used to like anyway, but yeah, it's quite fruity, that. That's really nice. Ooh. Oh, it is a little bit musky, actually, on my wrist. A little bit more, yeah. Oh God, that brings back memories. It smells so similar to like the old ones that I used to really like. The next product we've got, oh, I seen this on their Instagram, but I wasn't sure if this was a product that they sold separately or they were putting in the boxes. And I remember looking at it thinking, I really want that. This is a 2-in-1 lip duo. It's from the brand RMT, I think it is, Romantic Beauty. And the shade I've got is Malaga 05. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a duo, and this is the shade, which, is that me or is that me? So this is what it looks like. So on one side, you get a twist up lip pencil that looks so dark. And it looks like it might be slightly broken. It's not falling out, but it's wobbling a little bit when I turn it, so I'm not going to turn it up too much. I'm just going to do a little swatch for you. So it's very, very deep reddy purple. That is stunning. That is me all over. And then on this side, you get a lipstick to match. So the lip liner looks slightly darker, but in a good way. And yeah, it's very deep red, burgundy, purple, right up my street. I'm very looking forward to using that. They're both really, really creamy as well. So last product in the box is a lipstick. Oh, it's an Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade Naked. So this is what the packaging looks like. Say what size it is. 1 gram. I think this is a mini. It looks quite small. Urban Decay down the side. Very nice. That is a lovely nude. Absolutely stunning. So that's the shade Naked. It's very creamy. I think it's a sheen. If you can see that there, it's got quite a sheen to it. So I think it's a cream lipstick. That's a lot better than the last box. If my memory is right, this should be a high-end product because I think I'm one high-end product down. I'm not missing anything else as far as I'm aware. I am going to do a check. I think I know what this is. Oh, no. It's an Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, and I already have this one. So this palette I use all the time. I absolutely love it. Love it. And I've used it in so many videos. It was in my favourites of 2021 video, and where I shown this was the only eyeshadow palette that I picked because on an everyday basis I reach for this so much, and that is unreal. So that pays for the box. Everything else is a bonus. I'm absolutely gutted that it's one that I've already got. That's not their fault. I mean, if I was to get this and I didn't already have it, oh my God, what a palette. What a palette. But I already own it. So that can only mean one thing. That I'm going to have to keep this to give it away. I'm going to have to say that I'm really impressed with this time. I think it is a much better box. I feel like it's a much better mix of products this time. I think I would be very inclined to get the May box as well and see what they have in store. And I feel like that because I've already got the Urban Decay palette, but I got this one. I got this one. So it's not all bad. Let me know down below what you think of this box. Have you purchased the April Let's Face It beauty box? What did you get? How did it go for you? Was it better than last time? So yeah, thank you very much for watching. As always, thank you for the support. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It does mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!